everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into a delightful world of crocheting as I show you how to create an adorable bow that's perfect for adding a charming touch to any project. Whether you are an experienced crocheter or just starting out, I promise you will find this tutorial easy to follow and completely satisfying. Before we get started, if you love crafting and want to see more fun projects like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any requests for future projects. Let's stitch some magic together. For this project, you will need some yarn, a 3.5 crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. Before we get started, I would like to show you my new YouTube channel in just 20 seconds. This is my channel where I post videos on crochet projects, crafting, and more. Remember, if you like what you see and want to stay updated on my new videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Thank you for your support. Let's get started. First of all, for the first row, make a slip knot. Now, use your crochet hook and chain 45. Make sure you have 45 chain stitches, and we are going to start the next step. For the next step, skip the first chain stitch and work 6 single crochets, 1 single crochet in each stitch. This would be the second single crochet in the second chain stitch. Continue working until you have 6 single crochets. After 6 single crochets, in the next chain stitch, work a slip stitch. In total, we need 4 slip stitches. This would be the first one, and this would be the second one in the next stitch. In total, we will have 4 slip stitches. After that, work 10 half double crochet in next 10 chain stitches, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, go to the chain stitch, yarn over and draw the yarn, and pull the yarn through all the loops around the crochet hook at the same time. This would be a half double crochet. Make sure you have 10 half double crochets. After that, in the next chain stitch, work a slip stitch. Work 4 slip stitches in total in next 4 chain stitches. This would be the third slip stitch, and this would be the last one. After 4 slip stitches, work 10 half double crochets in next 10 chain stitches. As you see, I am working 1 half double crochet in each stitch, and in total we will have 10 half double crochets. This is the last half double crochet. Next, in the next stitch, work a slip stitch. Again, we will have 4 slip stitches in the next 4 chain stitches. This is the last slip stitch. In the remaining chain stitches, we are going to work single crochets. So work 1 single crochet in each chain stitch. In total, you will have 6 single crochets. After working in the last chain stitch, this row will be completed and we are going to start crocheting the second row. Now let's crochet the second row. For the second row, first of all, we are going to turn our work and then chain 1. After that, try to pick up the back loop of each stitch and work inside of it. As you see, I'm going to work a single crochet in my first stitch in the back loop of my first stitch. Do the same thing again. Pick up the back loop of each stitch and work inside of it. Now first we have to work 6 single crochets in the first 6 stitches. Every time, pick up the back loop of each stitch and work inside of it. After 6 single crochets, work 4 slip stitches. Again, pick up the back loop of each stitch. After 4 slip stitches, work 10 half double crochets in next 10 stitches. Again, pick up the back loop of each stitch. Continue working half double crochets. After 10 half double crochet, again work 4 slip stitches in next 4 stitches. Always pick up the back loop of each stitch. Next, again work 10 half double crochets in next 10 stitches. Always work in the back loop. After that, work 4 slip stitches. And after 4 slip stitches, work 6 single crochets in the back loop of each stitch, and this row will be completed. Next, we are going to repeat the previous pattern 3 more times. Always pick up the back loop. Turn your work, chain 1, and then work 6 single crochets. After that, 4 slip stitches, and after that, 10 half double crochets. Next, 4 slip stitches, and then after that again 10 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, and at the end 6 single crochets. After crocheting 5 rows in total, we can cut the yarn and we're going to hide the yarn ends in between the stitches. I myself pass the yarn ends through my stitches, and then I'm gonna cut the remaining yarn end. As you see, I'm passing the yarn end through mostly my single crochets, and then I'm going to cut the remaining yarn end. Do the exact same thing for the other yarn end, and I will see you after that. As you see, the yarn ends are going to be perfectly hidden. Let's crochet the bow knot. First of all, work a slip knot. Before making the slip knot, make sure to pull out a longer length of yarn before the slip knot. Now start working some chain stitches. Chain 10. After 10 chain stitches, skip the first one and work 1 single crochet in each chain stitch. In total, you will have 9 single crochets. After 9 single crochets, we can cut the yarn again, pull out a longer length of yarn, and then cut it. In next step, we are going to use these 2 pieces that we crocheted to complete our crochet bow. Follow the video, arrange the crochet piece like this. Hold it and wrap the bow knot around the center part of this crochet piece. We just need to fix these 2 pieces together in this way using a yarn needle, and then the crochet bow will be completed. So use your yarn needle, pass the 2 yarn ends through the crochet piece using the yarn needle. This step is actually pretty easy. You just need to fix the bow knot around the bow and then after that we have to hide the yarn ends in the crochet piece. For this purpose, we have to pass the yarn ends again using the yarn needle through the stitches. Follow the video, do what I do, pass the yarn ends through the stitches to hide the yarn and also fix the bow knot around the bow. As I said before, after fixing the bow knot around the bow and hiding the yarn ends, the crochet bow will be completed. And that's it, the crochet bow is completed now. I hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching it. If you like this video, please like it and leave a comment, tell me your opinions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.